Hi everyone, this is Kayla
and Nancy
with Stampin' Before Anything Else. This is our third and last video for World Card Making Day. We're so happy that you've been joining us on this journey and celebrating with us today. We are going to be making this card in this video.
Isn't it pretty?
It's so pretty. And so just to let you know, you are more than welcome to get these as make and take products for free if you order through us a $35 purchase before tax and shipping. We will send you all of the paper supplies to make this plus the two other cards we made today. We are also doing a grand prize drawing. All you have to do is like, subscribe, or follow depending on what platform you're watching us on, and then all you have to do is comment one time to be entered to win that grand prize. So make sure you stick around at the end to hear what that grand prize drawing is. So Mom, take it away.
All right, so we got all our supplies over here, and it looks like we have an extra piece here. We're going to be using our Festive Post. Now you can purchase this as a bundle. It's in our August through December mini catalog. If you purchase these two, it is not.
It's not together.
It is not a bundle. This is a bundle.
It just coordinates.
It does. In the annual catalog, there's a stamp set that goes with this, and you can purchase that as a bundle. I love this stamp set. So many different things you can do with it. But today we're going to stick with the reindeer and a little bit of a saying that says, "Enjoy this season." Pear Pizzazz is our ink that we're going to do, and we're just going to set this off to the side. I have everything, literally everything done for us in here. All the measurements and everything will be over on our blog, so if you're concerned about that, just make sure you hop over there. All right, to get started, I'm just going to adhere this piece to the inside of our card base. Right here we have the embossing folder,
which is Dainty Diamonds.
Dainty Diamonds, and it is spectacular. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Love it. So this is going to be on our base, but before we adhere that, we're going to take and put our designer series paper over that. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take some of this ribbon. Now, I am very handicapped when it comes to making bows, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a little bit off from this one, and we're going to make a faux bow. And how I do that, oops, well, if I can get the tape to go, I'm going to put a little bit of tape there and over here. I'm going to lay this right in the middle. So we have that, and then I'm going to bring in a bow maker. I love this bow maker. Our friend Vicki makes these, and they are fabulous. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and make this bow. Next, we're going to take our little pieces. These are going to be all punched and scored and embossed for you. We're going to take our ink and we're going to do our reindeer.
I think I say rainbow.
Well, I think I might have been. I think I called this
a deer.
No.
What? An antelope?
No, did I call it a deer?
I don't know.
Or something in one of the other videos?
One of the other videos.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, so something like that. Anyway, we're going to pop this little guy on here. Okay, so made a mistake. I was looking at this and I'm like, that's too light. I needed to do it over anyhow because I went too high. So I'm going to flip it over, and I'm actually going to get the correct ink. I was on a Pear Pizzazz
Not Pear Pizzazz.
It is not Pear Pizzazz. It is Mossy Meadow. So sorry about that, you guys. I just was grabbing supplies and, you know, not thinking. So, okay, we're going to do this over again. We're going to get our reindeer stamped in Mossy Meadow. Ta-da!
Wow.
So much better. Wow. Okay, then we're going to take our teeny tiny little piece. Okay, so now that we got the right ink, we are just going to adhere these pieces together. Adhere that on there. Okay, perfect. So now we are ready to assemble this card. We're going to pop this up on dimensionals. Then we're just going to tape this one on. We're not going to pop it up on dimensionals.
If you want to, you can.
Absolutely. Now, the last thing that we're going to add on here are our rhinestones. And voila, we are done, you guys.
Cute. I love
it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Here's the one we did earlier that's a little bit more clean and doesn't have little ink marks on it.
And then I'm going to show you some alternatives that you can do using this same Festive Post Stamp Set. This one was made by Laura Milligap, I believe. Cute little Christmas themed card, kind of similar to this one. And then we made wishing you a happy Halloween card that goes with the set as well. So there's two alternatives that you can make. We also wanted to let you know that you can get these supplies to make these cards, this card, and then the two other ones that we posted earlier today as well. All you have to do to get the make and takes for free is purchase $35 in product with us before taxing and shipping. All you have to do is go to our online store. We'll automatically know if you purchased. You're going to want to purchase between October 3rd and October 10th. And then we will send off the make and takes for you. We're also doing a grand prize drawing, you guys. Don't forget about this. All you have to do to enter to win this is like, follow, or subscribe to us depending on what channel you're watching us on. You're also gonna want to comment, and just comment one time, tag a friend, whatever you want to do. You'll be entered to win a pack of the Whisper White cardstock, the medium envelopes that go with it,
yay,
the Here's a Card stamp set that we demonstrated in our second video today, Memento ink, Stampin seal that we used today, and then a clear D block. Like I said, all you have to do is do those simple things. You can have a chance to enter at least 9 times if you go to our 3 different platforms of YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. All 3 of the videos are going to be posted there. They're all the same. We're just reaching everybody in a different way. So theoretically, if you go and comment at least 1 time on those videos, that's 9 entries. We'll be drawing the winner for this prize on October 10th at 1 p.m. on our Facebook and YouTube Live. So make sure you come back next Saturday to find out if you won this.
Also, we're going to be making 3 more cards featuring these 3 stamp sets as well.
So we hope you had a wonderful World Card Making Day.
We hope we provided a little bit of inspiration for you.
And we hope that you just continue crafting, whether it's World Card Making Day or not. Next up is actually World Card Sending Day. So you got to make the cards to send them. So we encourage you to go do that. Go make out as many cards as you want. Thanks for joining us today. We will for sure see you next Saturday to announce the winner of this grand prize giveaway. And we hope you enjoy the rest of your World Card Making Day. Bye.
Bye-bye.